Hey everyone, welcome back to Coin Zero. If you're tired of the usual tips and want to find a way to consistently win Ember Fund tournaments, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share an advanced strategy that most people aren't using, but it can give you a significant advantage. Let's get into it. Instead of just picking random coins and predicting whether they will rise or fall, focus on identifying highly volatile assets. Volatile coins are more likely to experience significant price swings within the 3-hour tournament window, which can greatly increase your chances of winning. Track the latest news and events in the crypto world. Certain coins are more susceptible to news-driven price changes. For example, if a coin is about to undergo a major update, partnership announcement, or regulatory change, its price could move dramatically. Use this information to make informed predictions in your tournament portfolio. Instead of betting all your picks on one outcome, diversify by making opposing predictions within the same portfolio. For example, if you believe Bitcoin might rise, choose one or two other coins you think will fall. This way, you can cover more scenarios, and at least one part of your portfolio is likely to earn points. To maximize your scoring potential, don't just pick coins randomly. Balance your portfolio by allocating a larger portion to your highest confidence picks and a smaller portion to less certain ones. This way, even if your low confidence pick is wrong, your overall portfolio will still have a strong chance of coming out ahead. Use price alerts and notifications from apps like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to monitor sudden price changes. If a significant move happens right before your tournament starts, quickly adjust your picks to capitalize on the latest market conditions. Target tournaments that feature lesser-known coins with low liquidity. These coins can experience exaggerated price movements, which you can exploit if you accurately predict the direction of the move. This approach works best when you have insider knowledge or can spot patterns that others miss. Use smaller low-stakes tournaments to test and refine these strategies. Pay close attention to what works and what doesn't, and fine-tune your approach before entering higher-stakes tournaments. By applying these advanced strategies, you can go beyond the basics and start dominating the free tournaments on Ember Fund. Remember, it's all about understanding the market, using the right tools, and being smart with your predictions. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more advanced crypto strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.